Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to boot this device from USB. So, what you have to do is power your PC by pressing the power button and then repeatedly press F9 button until the boot menu appears on your screen. Keep pressing it. Okay, and right now, using your touchpad or using down and up arrow keys to navigate and enter to select, you can select the UEFI generic USB option on the list, press enter to confirm, and then wait until your device is booted from USB. For me, it's gonna be the Windows 11 installation menu, and from now on you can proceed with whatever you had on the USB. So I'm gonna close this window by pressing X, go back to Windows, pressing yes, and wait until the device restarts. And that will be all for this video, so thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.